Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. If you have been looking for an easy, delicious chicken pasta salad, here is one for you guys. This recipe takes only 30 minutes from start to finish. So guys, let's get started. In a measuring cup, mix together rice vinegar, Dijon mustard, Italian seasoning, black pepper, salt, and garlic. Slowly whisk the mix and emulsify the olive oil. Don't go too fast. Continue whisking as you add in olive oil. Once mixed, set aside. Now it's time to put our salad together. In the bowl, I have rotini pasta. I'm gonna add chicken, red tomatoes. I'm also adding in red onions, add English cucumbers, toss in avocado, feta cheese, and chopped parsley. Next, drizzle Italian dressing and toss everything together. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. There you have it, chicken pasta salad. Enjoy. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.